Throwing up one. You don't tip. No, I don't believe in it. You don't believe in tipping. Let me just get this straight. You don't ever tip, do you? No, I don't tip because society says I have to. I mean, I'll tip if someone really put the effort, you know, like really deserves it. But this tipping kind of milk is just for the birds, man. Hey, you know what these chicks make? They make shit. Hey, don't give me that. If she don't make enough money, she can quit. I've never heard a Jew with balls big enough to say that. As far as I'm concerned, they're just doing their job. Hey, this lady was nice. She wasn't anything special. What's special? Taking you in the back and suck your dick? I'll throw it over the top. We've been here a long fucking time. She only filled my coffee 3 times. When I'm here, I want my coffee 6 times. What if she's too fucking busy? We're too fucking busy. Shouldn't have been the waitress vocabulary. Hey, this is a hard job. So it's working at McDonald's, and you don't feel like tipping them, do you? That society says, tip these guys here, but don't tip these guys here. It's fucking bullshit. Hey, you don't think they count your tips? You know what this is? Smallest flying plane for the waitresses. You don't know what you're talking about. The waitress is the #1 occupation in America that any woman can get and make enough money. It's because of the tips. Because the government takes their tips and it's for non-college graduates that any woman can get and make enough money. It's because of the dollar right there. I mean, I'm very sorry to hear the government takes their tips, you know. Obviously, the waitresses are one of the many groups that government fucks in the ass on a regular basis, you know, but that are not my fault, you know. I mean, show me a paper I'll sign. You know, put it to vote, I'll vote. But what I won't do is play ball. And this college bullshit that you're giving me, I got 2 words for it. Learn to fucking type, as if you expect me to help with the bills, you're in for a big fucking surprise. Come on, speaking of dog. Hey, leave the thoughts. Alright, Ramblers, let's get rambling. Wait a minute, who did I throw? Mr. Pink. Mr. Pink, why not? He don't tip. He don't tip. What do you mean you don't tip? You don't believe in it, shut up. What do you mean you don't believe in it? Come on, cheap bastard, I paid for your goddamn breakfast. Alright, right now, since you paid for a breakfast, I'll throw in, but normally I would never do this. Never mind what you normally would do. Throwing a buck like everybody else. Thank you.